That was a hiccup. I have the hiccups, and I want to share the cure. Hiccups is like one of the worst involuntary feelings. And there's so many cures that don't really work. However, in the court of France, they would give you the cure for, I think it was traditional for the cure to be given away by certain types of proposals. The cure is drinking water with your head below your heart, and that forces your diaphragm to relax. That's the way that love is. I feel like it's cruel not sharing that with the world. Because every time, I can always cure my hiccups. I only get one or two whenever they come. So, now so can you.